What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We just cleaned the Charger. First time in a couple weeks that it actually looks, you know, all shiny and nice. Been super busy moving, been super busy with real estate, been really busy with some of the setbacks that we had, but we are going to push through that. There's a great future ahead. Today is already a good day. Every day is a good day. So I'm gonna go to my apartment, try to get some remaining things to take to the house, and then we're going to take a trip to Temecula to do some stuff with the headlights on, I believe, the Camaro ZL1. Boys, like, I got so much inspiration for this car. I have a sick design that I'm thinking about doing. I don't know if I am going to go through with it. Pretty much what it is, dream of being a cop, but I'm too scared to do it. So I figured with this car I could support the men in blue. We'll see what happens with it. It might be too straightforward for what I'm trying to do. You don't know until you try. Camaro, the rear differential is fixed. It is replaced entirely. It is happily rented, so that is over with. That cost me thousands of dollars to handle. Then we just got a full repaint on the silver Mustang bumper. I'll try to show you guys that really quick when we get back to the house. I have been very busy. I'm trying to focus on YouTube. I'm trying to focus on real estate. I'm trying to detach the focus away from the rental cars because the cars they're on autopilot right now. Like, the trips are already being booked. But that is the end of my rant. We are actually going to hop in the Charger and we are going to now head to the apartment. Really quick, we are averaging 12.9 miles per gallon, miles per gallon. I don't know if this is the most productive car. We do try to do Uber in it every now and then. Sorry for being in the shot, but I just can't see the productivity of this. It's miles per gallon. There is this Chevy that took so much of my money fixing that differential. My Camaro was there for like 2 weeks waiting for a part. The car was trying to be rented. Yeah. So now we are back at the house. We're about to go all the way to Temecula. I brought my backpack because I got stuff I gotta do. And then I cannot grip. Yo. Oh my God. Oh. Got this crazy ass ball. These things are literally hilarious. This is the YouTube house now. This is the YouTube house. We got children at play. We got these giant ball things. We got this ball. It's a cool time. What do you think of it?
Dude, this is the funnest house ever.
It is the funnest house ever. It's just gonna get better, bro. 4-star on a Camaro ZL1 with Corsa custom exhaust.
Well, I ain't letting it sit.
What do you mean you're not letting it sit?
Because we gotta go.
All right, let's go. You have to turn on the car.
Well, yeah.
What?
Well, we're gonna have neighbors pissed off, and I'm blaming you.
That's your fault for having this thing.
I'm making it sit.
Oh! Neighbors, we are so sorry. Alright guys, so right now we are in Temecula and it is beautiful out here. Alright guys, so we're with Elite Retrofitting Network. Right now we're about to take off the bumper of the Camaro to be able to access the headlights. American cars are like that. You have to take off all of this just to get to this. It's
It's a mission.
It's a mission. I don't know why they do that. Is there any American car that you don't have to take off the bumper to get to the headlight?
No, you have to. Think about it. All this is like all underneath. You gotta take it off.
My Mustang, my older Mustang, you did. Hey, look who's back. Holy shit, you're right. Is it part husky? I had one.
Yeah,
That's why.
It looks part husky, part Maltese.
Oh yeah. Bud?
I own this fish.
Hey, bud. So the dog ran away. He said, "Don't worry, it's gonna come back," and it found its way home. Like, that was wild. That's wild. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. I love huskies. Oh my gosh. Dude, I should be recording the car, but I'm like, you got a husky on my hand, then that's it. I want my husky back. Who's a good husky? Yeah.
Making my life easier.
So we're doing the headlights on the Camaro.
I'm just wedging it out right now.
Oh, wow, you see all that glue? Yeah, right? So right now he's separating the headlight apart so he could do all the work on the inside of it. That is crazy.
All the modifications is needed. So now I got it open, so now the next step is to get this black piece off so I can start drilling holes to put the halo in there. So
Wow.
You can stop now. What's up, dude? Yeah, you can keep it.
Okay, that's how I always thought it would feel. It's crazy. Rigid. I always wanted to feel it, bro. Like I look at it, I'm like, dude, I bet you it's rigid.
That was the same comment I made when I touched my fist food. So it's from Circuit Demon. So thank you, Jeff Foster, over at Circuit Demon. Here's the actual kit.
Oh my god.
The PL Resistance. So here it is. It's a hex halo. We're gonna put it right in here. So this is basically the look we're gonna go for. See that?
That's badass.
Wow.
That's awesome.
So now I gotta make some holes.
That's gonna add. Oh my god.
That is crazy. It's like a perfect fit.
Yeah.
11 minutes.
Wow.
11 minutes.
Boys, 11 minutes until Jersey Mike's come. You can even see from the silhouette right now with it sitting there.
Oh, dude, that's
Yeah, it's gonna look.
How crazy it's going to look.
That's gonna be so mean.
No, he's finding us amusing. Is that right?
I'm finding this very amusing.
See?
We're entertainers.
You're something.
We are entertainers. We're YouTubers. That's who we are. Did he cringe? No one
I
cringed?
cringe.
Okay.
I cringe. I always cringe. I live with you.
We got Jersey Mike's in the house with a grand
Yay.
total of $54. You're on the vlog. Boys, check this out. What do you guys think of these halos, hexagon halos? You coming down the street, that's gonna look ridiculous. It's gonna look
I'm not
insane.
gonna ride with those on the street.
Yeah, you are. 100%
I'm not
legal.
getting pulled over.
It's 100% legal.
Yeah.
Guys, the Camaro is officially done. The new hexagon halos are on it. I think that they changed the whole look of the car because the Camaro already has those edges on it. Now the headlights could kind of match the curves and the lines that the car has. So check these out and tell me what you guys think.
Memphis.
I really think you're allowed to go there.
No, I don't think you're allowed.
Well, live life. And now he's coming over here, then we gotta go like this. Can we take one quick picture?
Oh, really?
Okay, cool.
Okay. Sorry, thank you. Oh, jeez.
That's a nice car, man.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
That car is sick. We're out here right now. Look at this thing. This thing is amazing. They're about to lock it up. But we're taking some quick photos with the Camaro, with the new hexagon LED lights. We got these amazing Air Force jets. They're literally about to lock up the gate.
Yeah, no, they're locked.
Literally about to lock it. He's locking it up now. We gotta go. We got to go.
All right, let's go.
Guys, this is the end of the video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you watching all the way through. So much more content to come. They're literally about to lock the gate. Open. Unlock the car. Unlock the car. Unlock the car. Unlock. Shoot.
Is it on amber? Yeah, it's right.
It's on red. Can you imagine?